Hi everyone, thanks for coming by to my channel. Today I'm laser engraving a Stanley tumbler, and I was just showcasing you that and the jig that I have to use for this project. For today's project, the customer had asked if I could help her with a design that would cover up the scratches on her cup. So I found some daisies and I am just showcasing it here on Lightburn. So I rotated the image as that will mirror what is actually being done in my machine. I created a line, as you can see here, the blue one. I am just lining up with the design. I did enter 10 inches, but unfortunately my math wasn't mathing with me today, and you'll see why later on in this video. Making sure it's centered. Now I'm lining it onto the dot. That dot is where the laser is positioned on my cup. Now what I'm going to do for testing is I'm going to place this pointer on my image, and I'm going to see where that lands on my cup. It automatically does it when it's connected. I did notice here that the design is a little bit longer than I had hoped. If I left it as is, my laser head will hit the handle. So here I am just shortening the line, and then I will resize the image to that line. Now I just got to center it again. Perfect. So now my image will go from side to side on the Stanley cup, and it will not hit either handle. I'm going to take my caliper and measure the diameter of the cup. The diameter is 89 millimeters. Now I'm going to open up my rotary settings. Oh, I see here that it's in inches, but I'm quite used to millimeters, so I'm going to switch that. I'm going to reopen it, make sure my object diameter is set to what the diameter of the cup is. I had to reline the name with the rest of the logo here. And now I press frame, and I'm just doing a check to make sure that the name is where I want it to be on the cup. Here I'm creating a line, and I'm going to measure up with the laser head and move it down and position the name onto the line, because it wasn't quite where I want it to be. Now here are my laser engraving settings. Now I open up the preview section. I want to see how long it takes and how the engraving will work. Sometimes I freak myself out seeing it's engraving in one section and not the other, so I do this every time just to ease my mind. Here I am just doing another check. I'm going to turn on my air and water, and I'm going to send to the machine. And here it is, you guys. It looks fantastic. I love the detail going around the cup. Now make sure you turn that rotary button off on light burn, because if you turn it off on machine first and then light burn, in my case, the machine will not act normal and I have to reboot my machine. Now it's time to clean the cup. I use Blue Dawn Spray Wash and Magic Eraser, but I do not use the name brand Magic Eraser. I use a cheap one. Now let's take a moment and admire this cup. It is so pretty. I love the chrome on this cup. I love how it looks blue and purple. It's so nice. Well, thanks everyone for coming by and watching this video. I can't wait for you guys to see what I have next. See you next time.